This Bang & Olufsen makes me want to bang my fucking head against the wall. Seriously. There's some really strange quirks with this machine. As you can see, I have it on phono. This only happens on phono, not any other setting, just phono. And of course, the phono is in a 2 RCA to DIN, and I have the ground hooked into the case right here, into the chassis, which has been working fine until now. Let's turn the volume up to 40. Let's put some music on. Alright. Watch what happens to the volume. Yeah, it goes down by itself. And when you turn it back up, it does the same thing. Let's move to Fly Like an Eagle. 10. Like, try to turn it up. It turns itself down. Like, what is that? How the hell can you fail at... A volume control is supposed to do one thing, and one thing only. Control the volume. When a volume control fails to control the volume, you have a serious fail on your hands. Good job, Bang & Olufsen. Good job. Thanks a lot. That's frustrating as hell. I can't control my own fucking volume. This is why manual volume knobs are the best. Because when this shit happens, it's just ridiculous. Now, I have two theories. Either this thing is just a quirky pile of crap, or it has something to do with the DINs. I'm really not sure. I unplugged the tape DIN adapter. You know, just to get that out of the picture. Let's say I move this stuff. Let's say I move this over here, and then the volume still goes down by itself. I don't know what to tell you, man. This is just frustrating as hell. A receiver should be able to control its own volume. Instead, it's controlling the volume for me. You know? Well, it's not controlling the volume for me. It just sort of controls the volume whenever it wants to. You know? It's picky about it. It's really... Bang & Olufsen equipment has to be some of the most annoying audio equipment on this planet. It may look sexy. I mean, that's pretty sexy right there. You gotta admit. But when stuff doesn't work on these things, they suck. You know? They're only good if they work. And when volume controls itself and everything has DIN cables, and when DIN hasn't been standardized and you have to get all these adapters and all this crap. Yeah. Problems. Lots of problems. I mean, at work today, we had a Bang & Olufsen turntable that went with this unit that actually had a 7-pin DIN cable, so you could control the turntable from the remote. How awesome is that? But the turntable had a dead cartridge. And the cartridges, they don't make anymore. They're expensive, and you gotta find them on eBay. Epic fail. Epic fail. The problem with Bang & Olufsen is everything is fucking proprietary. Even the speaker connectors are proprietary. How could you fuck up speaker connectors that bad? Seriously. Speakers are speakers. Why do you need a proprietary connector for that shit? That's ridiculous. I mean, at least they have a headphone jack. The only thing standard on this whole fucking thing. Everything else is DIN and their own proprietary speaker connector and, remote. Kind of ridiculous if you ask me. I'm not very happy with this receiver. So I'm going to have to say, Bang & Olufsen's are some of the most annoying pieces of equipment in the world when they don't work properly. And just for the simple fact that everything is freaking proprietary. Epic fail. Bang & Olufsen, epic fail. The proprietary stuff makes things fucking irritating. Yeah. I'm frustrated right now, as you can tell. So I'll just end this here. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao. Alright, I figured out what's going on. The volume is turning itself down because of the speaker connectors. When I plug in through headphones and have music going, I did not ask the arm to move there, so don't. I have it at 40, and the volume's not going down. You can clearly hear it. I can turn it to 60 and it works just fine. The volume actually works when you use headphones, but not when you try to jerry-rig speakers. That's just weird. That's just fucking weird, dude. Wow. I don't know what to tell you there. Right. Yeah, I figured it out. And this is frustration with the Bang & Olufsen. Apparently, Jerry, this just that still doesn't take away the fact that the proprietary connections just make everything a pain in the ass. It makes it annoying in computers. It makes it annoying in audio, as you saw here. It makes it annoying all around. Standardized stuff would be the best. Now, DIN is pretty standardized, but it's not standardized for audio much. It's standardized for MIDI, and that's about it. And MIDI's not very sought after either, so, you know. Bang & Olufsen is less of a fail now that I figured out that problem, but wow. It's still pretty irritating, I gotta say. Yeah.